Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tirelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and of course share this video, you guys. So this is part 2 of the live that I managed to record of Tirelo, and on the second part she details how she found out that she was pregnant. She says that the first person to tell her that she was pregnant was Mpumelelo, her boyfriend, you guys, and she did not believe him until everything started changing in her body, you guys. Also, Tirelo was not alone during this live. She was with her cousin, you guys. Do you know the saying that goes, "Dilo jaaka monyameng di monate"? Well, she details how it was nice when her relationship with Mpumelelo was private, you guys. So up next, I'll just go ahead and insert the rest of the lives. But before I do that, please do make sure that you've liked, that you've shared, and you also have subscribed. So here is the video, you guys.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. How was it? Oh, thank you. I love you, sis. Okay, I love you too. What made you think you were pregnant? I didn't think I was pregnant. Umuntu wamangitshelile ukuthi I'm pregnant. Bese-ke I didn't believe him. And then then I decided to test. And then it came out positive. Are you thinking of having another baby soon? No. Maybe kita na le ngwana o mong ka 20 mang. Ga singaba kwa tshwara 7, singaba go nna le 7 leng when I'm 30. And at that time ke nna pregnant ka 2018. Ke batla modimo a mphe ma-quadlets. Hey, ka 2030 I'm having quadlets, guys. I get quadlets. How do you handle being in a relationship with the same guy? I don't understand. What do you mean with the same guy? How many guys should I have? 5. Amen to that. Yeah. Yo, tshwereng ngwana. Robetse.
Wena mo robetse. What?
Oh my God.
Wena. Oh. Bella. Yeah.
We love Voyo. I love her too. Hells. Okay. I meant you sharing the other girl. Oh, normally because their own individual relationship. So that time that you were number 4, were you getting the same attention you are getting now? Yo! SS! Yo! Yes, I'm not gonna lie. That time I was the last one. Yes. And nobody knew about me. Sana. I won't lie. Not go no ga go monate le no mara I can compare monate wa then now. So we get to see the baby's face. Le morning Moscow TV. You guys will see the baby's face definitely. Motho mpotsang gore ka share o a re struggle go share. Wa share. You know what are the tips? Honeymoon face net definitely yo nile honeymoon face yo nakwelekile number 4 guys. Oh, big umnandi like things that happen in the dark are nice avail. Are you happy? I'm very happy and I'm content. I'm happy and content, Shem. I don't wanna lie. Indoda yami ngiphethe kahle, ekhaya ngiphethwe kahle. So I can't complain. How are you handling your finances as a student? Nah. I made sure ke phela ke na le dijo. Yeah, fela. Tse dingwe batswadi nna a ise ke ithekele diaparo le eng. Batswadi ke bone ba etsang dilo tseo. And then I'd make sure gore ke na le ya entertainment mo saeteng. Maybe in a month I'd go out like 3 times. I don't know. I feel like the whole country would recognize and acknowledge you as an individual rather than Mpumelelo. Thank you, Tirelo. Thank you. Will you accept number 3, Mpumelelo? Yeah. If he introduces the 3rd one, are you gonna accept? Tlebe ke kganelang wena. A ke re le nna bang accept ke le number 5, number 4. Is your son looks like you on Mpumelelo? Gape ngwana o tshwana le mang bua phone. He looks like everyone. Today he looks like me. Tomorrow he looks like Mpumelelo. Tomorrow he looks like Granny. Bona o tshwana le bone ba botlhe. How did you meet your baby daddy and when? Let me first correct. Baby daddy. He's not my baby daddy. He's my boyfriend. Hi, Kesana. And you send a DM. Then we met. The rest is history. Alrighty. I'm so sorry giving it the minutes. Why would he not baby daddy? Because I said baby daddy, keep boyfriend tag. We are still partners, guys. Thank you, Snow. Batshele Snow. Batshele wena Snow. How? Kunini ngichaza. Better describe your motherhood in one word. Describe a motherhood in one word. It's fun.
I asked you to come 2 inches to the left and 1.5 inches over the I have you deeply removed and still your response about 2. I don't care what short means you hear that. I will not say please, it is a wasted word. I will not say thank you. I will be moving on.
Oh, now I wish I could get a DM, son.
You're a bitch.
O shebeletseng ka ntle ebile wa itse le gore ya reng
The good dog. I love with the beach already.
Guys, have you guys watched the Good Doctor ke yone?
Nice. Let's get to work.
You should be up there doing your job.
How na le 23 ke le 2000.
Wala ke be kunjini.
Phone.
Wena o tle se sa phone ha ba re ba re.
I didn't answer. I also don't know why. I bang phone la sicela ukurequest. Le batla requesta gore le tseya le ngoge gape lona le sele.
I'm talking about TV. Steve ghost e heartless.
Hi guys. Papa yini ke sobonana.
Sobonana nini?
Angazi sobonana nini. I don't know when the show is coming back.
Central line, intravenous fluid, bag mask, oxygen, anesthesia. I'm a dazzling.
I so cute. Maganda lang kasi namin. Sige.
God bless you, Mama. Thank you. Baby go mostly. Can you DM when you're in Brandfontein for your hair? I want to see you. Please.
Kaya mo rin ko Bloemfontein.
I bilang ko Brandfontein. Ito nag-blom. How has it been like working with native childs? Who named baby Singa Bako? Umkhulu wakhe. You have beautiful eyes. Thank you.
The one muhle.
At least you got your first child, Uzokhulile. Hi, but it still feels like teenage pregnancy, Z. When you don't always respond on love comments, but you always respond. Can you understand this closer? Walilita, just understand this closer, sana. Jazama nokuzithetha. Exactly. I'm sorry for responding to only negative comments. Because it's about you just like, you know what, I love you too. Why are you saying that it feels like teenage pregnancy? Because I'm still a child. I feel like I'm still a child. Although age I still feel like waiting. Which grandfather gave your child a name? Ubaba Mseleko. Why aren't you in CPT? Doing what? Doing what? You just bored me when you said you left school. What was I supposed to do? Kante but home. It's not like you drop it out. No, I can't drop out. Or Lena Hana can drop it out. No, I can't drop out. Okay.
Oh. I want to outfit a bring wheel lunch in Cabindia. Little scroll. A better girlfriend, and we are going to Papa Hospital, Papa, we will never say for me. The president will girlfriend. I bet you para continue. I be put the same day at a long Hey, when you like that go.
Mpumelelo gave him the name. Yes, he gave him the name. Mara mizimba yenu 2000 looks huge, hey? Naraja rona, ko borona ba re timidi naraja. Well, ere ke ske ka re gore la ke buela ma 2000 a otlhe nna tirelo kale ke a nyofa.
When I was in love,
I go no pere Gucci na like ban. O botsaka batong le ditlhako. Ke ngwana wa mmona le wena gore ke ngwana.
me mo koi kopedi.
Ke tshepile yena nna. Ke tshepile mo kone. That's me. Wa bona mediba ke itse wena kana o leleme ba re dikgang tsa go di monate sonta.
Tiki banga tsone.
Ene ba bua nnete.
Mara se spiri mo se
Not nyofa hle. Aspiri mara wena ka botse wena o leleme.
Ba postile.
It is entle.
Ogele.
What products do you use for your skin? Your skin is giving. Oh my god. I use Bioderma, the pink one.
And water.
Oh my god, can I please see the baby, please? Give a bunte. Sorry, no. Baluka. Are you gonna speak to your child in your language? Definitely. Yeah. Hi. Louis la Monday. Ke bentile ke kheba.